So forward-facing sonar technology has just become such an important tool for anglers in a variety of different species. You know, as walleye anglers, we're watching how these fish are reacting to some of the baits we're throwing at them. But this is an instance where I'm not necessarily using this technology to see fish. These fish are, you know, very lazy right now. They're laying tight to the bottom. They're not moving around a lot. So we see some fish with the active target, but more so what we're using active target for is to make sure we're staying outside the thick weed edges. And you can actually see plain as day, and the boat's swinging a little bit, so it's gonna move, but there's weeds 10 to 20 feet out in front of the boat. And you can see those plain as day. So the key is going to be, and what it's been, is staying on those corners and just outside those edges to where you're pitching your jigs and your sucker minnows just into the edge of the weeds and working them out. So not only is active target really cool for finding fish in certain situations, but it allows us to really know what's in front of the boat, seeing weeds in front of you and being able to stay in the areas that you need to be to fish successfully and catch more fish throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.